Today I'm going to replace my hazy headlights with some new ones. Here's some of the tools you're going to need. You may use a ratchet, or you can use an impact, electric, drill, whatever you have. A 10mm socket for the top of the grill, screwdriver or a drill. Now to remove the 4 bolts. With the 4 bolts out, the whole top of the grill will move freely. If you bend the grill back, it'll be too hard to see on the camera, but down at the bottom of the grill, you'll see a bunch of tabs. All you have to do is pry outward on the bottom, and the whole grill will come off that way. These are also 10mm. Take your light out. So go ahead and remove all 3 of your lights. And then the headlight is good to disconnect. There you go. So you got it in place. Before you screw this all together, put the grill back on, test it, make sure everything is how you like it, because it's a pain to tear everything back apart and do this again. And we do have good light. Ooh, those are bright. The process is the exact same for the other one, so I'll just do a quick time lapse and we'll see what this looks like. It's all put together. Oh yeah, that definitely improves the look of the truck, keeping that black all together. I think if I get this bottom bumper black too, it'll be perfect. But I'm not sure. I kind of like that chrome, but I'm not a big chrome guy. So we'll see. I might Line-X that bumper to have it all black in the front. But I am really happy with how those turned out. I picked the OEM style because one, they're affordable, and two, I like projectors, but if you're gonna get a good set of projectors, it's gonna cost you over $1,000 bucks, and I just don't have the market for it.